The reason I talked about true and magnetic north is because we have to talk about runway orientation. Each of the runways are oriented based on a magnetic number. It's always based on magnetic. And again, if you can't remember that, just remember what are pilots using inside of their airplane. They're using a magnetic compass. They're using something that is in reference to the magnetic north. So in this case, the runways are going to be oriented using magnetic orientation. Now it's a 2-digit number, and it's going to tell us basically which way the runway is oriented. And the way that it works is we use the compass rose. And the compass rose, you're probably familiar with it, 360 possible degrees, north, south, east, and west. And this is what it looks like. If we take a circle and we divide it into different quadrants, then we have north at the top, which is 360 degrees or 0 degrees, depending on how you want to look at it. Then we have south, which is 180 degrees. Then we have east, and I'm going to say 090. That's going to make more sense when we talk about radio communication. This is a standard. 090 is 90 degrees. We just say every single digit individually. So 090 is east, and 270 is going to be west. So 180 south, 360 is going to be north. Then we can go and divide this into more different quadrants in here. We have 030, and the opposite is going to be 210. 060, opposite is going to be 240, and then it continues 12, and then 150, and then 330 being the opposite. This is just a few of the 360 possible degrees that we have available on this compass rose. Now, in some cases, you're going to hear people say northeast, north-northeast, southwest, east-southwest, and all of this. This is how it looks like. 045 and 225 are going to be the equivalent of northeast and southeast here at 135, southwest at 225, and then northwest at 315. So you can see here between north and east is northeast. South and east is going to be southeast, and so on and so forth. We can even go one more step further, where the difference between north and northeast is going to be north-northeast, and then difference between east and northeast is going to be east-northeast, and so on and so forth. East-southeast, south-southeast, south-southwest, west-southwest, west-northwest, and then north-northwest. You don't have to remember all of these, but if you ever hear these terms, that's what they refer to. So as you start getting more familiar, especially if you become a manned aircraft pilot, then you will definitely be familiar with all of these terms.